another video. Today we have another wig. Today we are going to be putting on this wig and we're going to be doing a mini review in the beginning, okay? So let's get straight into it. This wig is from Fridaynighthair. Fridaynighthair is an affordable wig site that gives you wigs for about $50, and they are so bomb. You will love them. This wig is not your forever wig. I'm gonna be honest from the jump. This wig is a 2-week wig. If you take care of it, if you don't wear it that much, if you don't wear it like every day, this could be a month wig, depending on how you take care of it. Okay, and we'll get more into that later in the video. This wig came fast, efficient. Fridaynighthair, I have ordered from them before. I've had a red wig from them. I've had many wigs from them, but my favorite wig I got from them was red. This one is not red. This is just a simple black wavy wig. It's pretty long too. Okay, so breaking the seal. So the packaging, not so special. Expected $50 wig. Don't get your panties in a bunch. Okay. So $50, honey. This wig, it came in this bag. This is their kind of logo thing about it. The wig I got is called GLS211. GLS211. This is basically like a loose curl. Look at that shine. Look at it. Like we always say, look at that bounce. That's not even the full length. Like, I don't even know how long this is. It's pretty long. Cause you know, in some wigs, the real wigs, they care about length, so they charge you more per length. They don't charge because it's synthetic. So, if you don't know what synthetic is basically plastic hair. The last wig I had was human hair, but it has synthetic fibers in it. So, the last hair. This is the hair. Hair like this, it does have synthetic fibers in it, so it is not gonna last you long like a actual human hair wig. The human hair wigs are about $500,000, okay? But you know, we ballin' on the budget, so we go where we get it, okay? This hair is to die for. Like, I really I'm gonna smack someone's mother because this wig is like to die for already. And it is M1B, the same as this hair. Looks a little bit darker here, but you know. The lace, now this is a $50 wig. The lace is harder. Oh no. They have soft lace now. Okay, so let me tell y'all a little something. Before, I haven't had a Fridaynighthair wig in a long time. Fridaynighthair had a hard lace. They had a hard lace. Like, their lace wasn't this soft. It was hard. I didn't mind the hard lace because it was clean. Like, the hairline was always clean. It looked right. But they came at us with a thin, nice lace now. Okay, you know how I told you guys about the bleached knots? You cannot bleach these knots, okay? This is a plastic wig, okay? It ain't gonna turn no type of colors, okay? So this hair, since it's synthetic, I'm not going to bleach the knots, but I will be adding makeup to the scalp just to make it look real, you know? So, I'm ready for you, honey. I'm ready. She's ready. I'm ready. I can't wait to put this on. I don't know what to call her. What should I call her? Leave a comment down below what I should name her. What should I name her? And what should I name her? I want to know because I need to get some names for my wigs. I got too many. But I'm so off track. Let me get on track. I'm sorry. Inside the wig, the construction of the cap. right off the back, it's wefts. They don't have like a cap inside to kind of separate that, but it's okay. They did give us elastic band for that security. I don't mind the band. I don't care if there is a band or not. I don't think it makes a difference with me because I make sure my wigs stay attached. Okay. With more adjustable straps here, and you got combs inside. So, oh yeah, and this wig is soft. Running my fingers right through it. Let's see about the shed. Let's see. Oh, one strand. Let's do another one. Let's do another run through. Let me get some hair. 3 strands. 3 strands of hair. We don't care, because we know she's only $50 and we're not gonna get paid. Let's put it on. Let's see what we're gonna get out of this beautiful wig. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Let's go.
Name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. If no one is around, say my name. Around you, if no one is around, say my name. Around you, if no one is around you, around kinda shady. If no one is around you, ain't calling me baby. If no one is around, say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, around you, if no one is around, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name, better say my name, say my name, better say my name, better say my name, better say my name. You acting kinda, you acting kinda, you acting kinda, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name. Tell the truth, who you with? How would you like it if I came over with my clip?
Okay guys, so to start, you're just gonna see me do the same method I did in my last tutorial. You guys can refer back to that video if you guys are confused. I did explain a little more in that video. I won't be speaking too much in this one because it's pretty self-explanatory. That's my eyebrow razor, and you'll see me use Got to Be Glued spray and Got to Be Glued to lay down my edges. Doing the same method again like the last video, so I'm gonna shut up now and let you guys enjoy the video.
Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you if you ain't running game. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. If no one is around, say my name. Around you, if no one is around. Say my name. Around you, if no one is around. Shady, no one is around. Ain't calling me baby. No one is around.
so it's still in the molding process. Molding process to me means still getting it to look natural. It is this long. That's the parting space. It's not a lot. It's good enough for a synthetic wig. I mean, I like this wig. It's already tangling, which it shouldn't be. If it's not fresh, it's not gonna start tangling right away, but it is. And that's okay.
This is for sure Friday night vibes. What a cute dress on. Okay.
If it was a little shorter, I can handle it. But I'm gonna cut it right now.
Probably to here.
Key to cutting hair and making it look less blunt cut, because this is blunt cut and I don't like it. Doesn't look natural at all. It's like, I just don't think that's cute.
We're gonna cut it down. Ooh, I actually cut it. Oh my God. Okay, so we're gonna cut it at an angle. So I'm gonna do this side first.
Okay. So you see how I'm just kind of
cutting it downward because we don't want it to look
so this is the length difference right here.
like that. Okay. It's not blunt or anything. It doesn't look super fake. Straight across cut look is not very cute to me. So it's way better to manage. But, or if you ever do it behind the ear, like this. This if you do behind the ear kind of look. That's the only reason I did that little baby hair. Little baby hair effect right here is because if I do the behind the ear look, it's gonna look natural. Super affordable. The curls will come back. I'm brushing it out, but the curls do pop back when you brush it out. So don't be afraid to brush it. You will be doing a lot of that. Okay. Definitely a night out in town with your boo. Having your hair flowing or whatever. Or whatever. Okay, guys, I am in love. The shine is really nice. Like, it looks like I just got these bundles like installed. Yeah, like, yeah. Thank y'all for watching my video. I'll be back again. So stay tuned. Stay in tuned for another video. Let's go.